Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to clean or change the filter in a Broan wrench hood. Over time you see this oil that comes off when you're cooking stain on these filters, and that's what they designed for. But you should change them or clean them. In our case it's pretty good looking filters, so we just gotta clean them out. But the process to change them is almost the same. You can get these filters on the link below, and that's how you replace them. Stick your finger here, press it toward the wall, take it out. Same process on this one. Now you take these filters and wash them with some sort of degreaser, dry them, and then reinstall them. I usually take them to the sink, turn the hottest water possible, get them pre-soaked. You can use the regular dishwasher soap, or I'm using the Simple Green. Simple Green is a degreaser which is kind of strong, so do not leave it on aluminum parts, it'll stain them. You gotta wash them off right away. Soak them with the Simple Green. Make sure you're getting both sides. The water has to be hot. You can use a little brush, scrub them off a little bit. Rinse them real good and dry them. On the one side, put it out for dry. Do the same on the other side. Spray them good. Brush it. Both sides. Like I said, rinse them both really good. Do not leave any chemicals on the aluminum parts because they will get discolored. You can use any kind of degreaser, even your regular dish soap will work on it real good, but I found the Simple Green is the easiest solution for it. Now when you're done washing it, just leave it in your sink and let it drain. You can use the paper towel, wipe off the frame, so if any chemical left on it, it will get wiped off. Get the clean wet rag with the little bit of Simple Green on it. Wipe off the opening where the filters are going in. Make sure you got all the grease out of it. Make sure no chemicals are staying on it. Wipe it clean and dry. And when it's done, you're ready to reinstall the filters. And it's backward process. That's what holds the filter in place. You push the filter, press on it, and install it back. Do the same on this side. This opening facing down. You can run the fan for a little bit so it dries out real good. Also, if you got this filter button blinking, you start it on and press and hold it for 5 seconds. Once it beeps, the filter is reset and you're good to go. You can start using it as normal. This Legacy Handyman, that's how you replace the filters in a Broan wrench hood. All the parts and materials you see in this video you can find in the link below. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.